Pop quiz. Question 1. Does America suffer from systemic racism?
I'm not sure what this systemic term really means.
First, let's define terms. Systemic racism. Institutions that cause and were often designed to cause drastic disparities in vital indicators such as wealth, criminal justice, employment, housing, healthcare, politics, and education. But maybe you know someone that doesn't understand this.
Well, I don't believe in systemic racism.
This is the same guy who said this.
This is very tightly contained in the U.S.
You're not that guy. You're not blind or delusional. You know there's systemic racism in America.
And I say segregation now, segregation tomorrow, and segregation forever.
You finally understand we can't fix racism if we don't fix the system first.
Look at my African American over here. Look at him. The problem is the system.
The systemic racism of America. Pop quiz. Question 2. What percentage of the American population is Black? Blacks represent 13% of the U.S. population. 33% of incarcerated people are Black. 40% of homeless people are Black. Less than 1% of the CEOs are Black. 28% of those killed by police are Black. And 43% of the women who die during childbirth are Black. If the system wasn't broken, this is what America would look like. Even after seeing this, factual proof of systemic racism, maybe Uncle Larry or Aunt Laura still don't believe there's systemic racism.
Or as someone once said, shut up and dribble.
Pop quiz. Question 3. What now? Uncle Larry and Aunt Laura probably won't ever admit there's systemic racism, because to admit there is would force them to admit there's white privilege.
Now, therefore, I find it hard to understand something called systemic racism.
And to admit that there's white privilege would force them to question everything that they have and they are. But you're ready. You're smarter, kinder. You want the broken system to stop being broken. You want the racist system to stop being racist. You want America, after almost 250 years, to finally be free and fair for us all. So, march, scream, vote, and maybe even try to talk some sense into Uncle Larry. But also, watch those numbers, because when Black Americans and all minority communities finally have their fair share of the American dream, then America will finally be great for the first time.